What up, what up? Today I'm recording my video camera. It's called VHS Filter. And look what happened to Cat Netflix. Whoa, look at his tail. It's slimy and long and soft. He's my best friend, Catnap.
What? That scared me. Oh my gosh, that scared me.
This is a test. This is a test.
What's going on?
The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
Is that ES I'm hearing about? There is! Somebody's gotta pick one.
Okay.
Back rooms? Smiling critters? What?
We tried to leave our houses. We burned them all.
What are you talking about?
The lost episode. I can't have. I killed my friend Smiling Critters, but now I'm starting to think about something. Before we die for the Smiling Critters, and then they kill you all.
Crap! I don't know what to do. I've never seen that EAS scenario before. Who's there?
Hello?
No. I don't know what to do. To the firepower.